I just want to have a moment of me appreciating my makeup today, because this time I did something new. You guys probably can't see it, but I put like a little bit of eyeshadow in the corner of my eyes and then more blush on the cheek. I don't know, I just feel really pretty today. But anyways, I'll go back to my professional composure for YouTube. Not really, because it's gonna be like a BAM! What? Can you tell that I'm into Liv and Maddie these days? But yes, this is a YesStyle haul of these quarantine must-have items that YesStyle kindly sent to me for free. So yes, these are sponsored products, meaning I didn't pay with my money to get these things. However, based on the terms and conditions and just based on my business brand in itself, I am always going to review products with full integrity, because I'm not going to try to sell you guys something that I don't like. I forgot to mention this before I fully unbox this, is that all the sizes and links to the items will be listed down below, and feel free to use my reward code ANNADANG for some extra discounts at checkout. And just letting you know that if you guys do use my code, I will receive store credit or commissions. However, that is optional for you guys to use to support me so that I can give back and review more YesStyle items. Let's see what YesStyle thinks are quarantine must-haves. Let's go! This package took around 3 weeks to arrive, only because there was a delay in one of the items, and YesStyle did warn me about that issue when it was brought up, which is completely fine. They were really transparent about it. No, I could just use the scissors, but you know, just Okay, so the first thing I see in the box are these gray sweatpants that I got in a size small, and I also got the black version, and it is a size medium. The reason why I got two different sizes was because I was unsure whether the length would hit my ankles and to my waist. I'm not saying I'm super tall, but I am tall for an Asian. So we're gonna open it up and see if the texture of the clothing is different, if that makes sense, because they are from the same company. I just changed the color and sizes. Ooh! The first thing I noticed was you can just tighten your ankles to however you like it. Nice! I never had any sweatpants like that. My first impression is that it's not the softest material. I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's not the softest, but it's comfortable enough. Ooh, it feels dusty. That's the best way I can describe it. The corner, it says rock more. Yes, I will rock this in many outfits, and I have an outfit plan coming out soon, which you guys will see. It has two back pockets right there. It fits my whole hand, but that's not really informative enough because I have small hands in general. So lastly, the waistband is quite stretchy. I will do my best to stretch it as much as I can. Like that. Does that give you perspective? So this is the black version. The texture of the fabric is exactly the same as the gray one. So now you know that the fabric is consistent. Again, this is the size medium, so let's just see how much it can stretch. So it does stretch wider as expected. Black one kind of has like a vinegar scent to it, but again, it came overseas. It's been 3 weeks. It's going to need a wash anyway. So yeah, just make sure you wash it before you wear them. Here are the black sweatpants, joggers, whatever they are called. This is a size medium, and the first thing that I noticed is that this literally just sits on my waist, and for me, I like it when it snatches up, so I believe the size small would fit me better. It still fits. It's just like hovering there, and it's not gonna go down any lower. But first, can you guys see where this outfit, what this outfit inspiration is from? I'll give you a hint. Ready? If you can figure that out, comment that down below. But this is what it looks like without me cinching up the bottom of my pants. And I didn't realize this, but it also has rock more right here as well. So you get it twice. Bam, bam. It also has front pockets, and they're quite deep. They feel like men's pockets. Insane! This is the cinched up version, which I like more. So previously I said how the fabric didn't feel the softest thing in the world. However, putting it on my skin right now, the fudge, it just became so comfortable. So this for me is a win! It's a vibe, it's a hype, it's a what? Okay, so here are the gray versions, and first off, this fits my waist in terms of it snatching it up. It has this much wiggle room. Oof. I don't know if it's just my eyes tricking me, but even like the width of the pants, it's a little bit smaller than the black version, which makes sense because I got it in size medium as well. So all in all, I like the fit of this better. So here it is, cinched at the ankles. If you guys do get this in a size small, medium, or even large, if you're 5'5" and under, this will fit you. My waist is here. My crotch is like higher than the pants, meaning there's no camel toe, therefore it's fitting me quite nicely. So yee! Oh my god. But comment down below which looks better in terms of like what this outfit. Do you guys like the gray one or do you guys like the black one? The next item that I see is a black, I believe this is a black t-shirt. Ooh, yes, it is a black t-shirt, and it says Captain right on the left side of the shirt. And then this one is really soft. This one feels soft. Again, it feels a little bit dusty. I don't know how else to explain it. It feels dusty, but like more dusty on this one, yet softer than the sweatpants. Again, once it's on my body, it doesn't feel dusty anymore. It feels super soft. This is probably the softest shirt I own. So this is equally as comfortable, if not better, than my pajama shirts, which is insane. But yeah, I just love this captain detail, and right now I'm just showing you the length of it. Another test is the booty test. It doesn't fully cover my butt. I might actually have to buy more shirts for this brand because this is so freaking soft. And you know, I'm just wearing the previous sweatpants as earlier, and if I just tuck it in, boom, like a little tuck. Or if you don't feel like that, we can even like tuck it in the bra, you know, that style. You get a bit more crop look. Or obviously everyone, I don't know if y'all still doing it, but the weird like this trend. Oh, this is, oh my god, this is so cute. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. The next one is, ooh! This is a hair drying cap. You know, people say how you should have a towel for your body, your face, and your hair. I only have one towel to do all those things, which is probably bad. The plus side is it has a cute little fox. Yeah. What does the fox say? Please don't copyright me, E. I just love this so much. But yeah, it's really soft. The next item that I see are these bunny slippers. And I got this in a size 40. The sole is rubbery, so I think you'll have a little bit of grip walking. I have marble flooring, so it looks like I can walk in them. Even though there's cushion throughout the whole slipper, the most support is from the heel. I forgot to record this part, but here are the slippers. Again, I am a size US 8, and I got these in the YesStyle size 40, and they fit me. Okay, let's go check to see if I slip on them. You got some good grip? Yeah, it's fine by me, and it's comfy too. Look how cute they are when I walk. Okay, the next things I got came all bubble wrapped. So the first thing I pulled out was this pink headband, and I believe there's bunny ears on it. They're so cute! Now, the one thing that you guys should know is that typical headbands from YesStyle are slightly smaller. You know, I'm gonna try this on right now for you guys. Gotta prepare myself to look like a bunny. Did I wear this right? Okay, yes I did. Oh, and in the ears, I don't know why I'm doing this right now, but in the ears there's wire in it so you can shape it the way you like it. Ah, the lighting, you can't see the bunny ears. Ah, get darker. There. Oh my god, this is so cute. To me, the headbands don't feel restricting, so that's not a problem for me, but just be warned. Okay, so the next item that I got is this pink face lifting roller, and I already have this. It feels like a nice facial massage. I can't guarantee that it is face lifting. The next thing I pulled out is this facial cleansing brush. I personally have a mechanical one where the brushes spin, but sometimes I feel it might be too harsh for my face. Hopefully a non-automatic facial brush is more gentler on my face because it does help with clearing out the pores, getting all the gunk out, the sebum. I have long nails, which I thought would help when I'm opening these stickers, but they're becoming a little bit of a setback, a little bottleneck for me. Here it is. Oh, I love this baby pink color. There you go. Oh, it's so cute, and oh, it looks like there's like a million bristles. And it feels so soft. Yo, I can't wait to use this. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so it's the next morning and I'm finally going to try out this facial cleansing brush. Oh, interesting texture. So it is very stiff. So my face is all clean, and my final verdict is that I don't recommend this product because it was so stiff. It was hard for me to cleanse. My automatic cleanser, it's able to maintain the suds, the foam onto my face. Yes, it is my first time using it, so maybe if I use it more, the bristles will come softer. But again, I'll still keep using it to see if anything changes. Yeah, that's just my first impression of it. On to the next item, we got, oh my god, it's a cloud pop socket! It's pink! I don't know, I don't think I have a cute enough phone case to put this on. Oh, it's a baby cloud. It has blushes. Do we look alike? Oh my god, this is my first time owning a pop socket! And it's flippin' adorable, and now I need a phone case that matches this adorableness. Link it down below. This is the last item of the quarantine must-have item box, and it is a shiny and soft foot peeling mask, and it's made in Korea, and the brand is Puriderm Skin Solution. I personally never use a foot mask. Face mask, yes, 100% face mask it is, but a foot mask I'm quite wary of. Apparently after you're done using this, you have to wait 7 to 10 days to get the result after your first session. But because I got this package late, I will be unable to test this, whether this works or not. But if you want to see results, I will put it on my story on Instagram, so make sure to follow those. If I don't do this, just at me, be angry at me, be like, Anna, you didn't do the shiny foot mask. Just scold me. Anyways, these are all the items that YesStyle thinks are quarantine must-have items. Once again, feel free to use my reward code ANNADANG to get some discounts at checkout, and comment down below which of the items that I showed you will be in your bucket list for your quarantine must-have, or if there are items on YesStyle that you believe should be on this list, comment those down below. And lastly, if there's any YesStyle products that you would like me to fully review, meaning it won't be an unboxing first impression type of experience, it will be tested, I'll be glad to take your consideration and do my best to get the products and review it as much as possible. Without further ado, make sure to like and sub, and don't be a nub!